All right, guys, Ryan Lane with Lane's Barbecue, and today we are talking grilled pork tenderloin. So we've got our pork tenderloin. Usually these come like two to a pack. We've already got one in the brine. So what we're gonna do is you've got this silver skin runs along here. We're just gonna take a little boning knife, pop that underneath. Go ahead and remove that. Now we've got our pork tenderloin prepped. Now we're gonna get our brine ready. So we've got our sweet tea brine here. We're gonna add this. So we're gonna do about a half a cup of the brine to about a gallon, half a gallon of water. Get that in the bowl, mix it up, get that pork tenderloin in there and let it sit for about 12 hours in the simmer. All right, guys, we've got the pork tenderloin that's been brining in our sweet tea brine for about 12 hours. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull that out, pop it on the plate, dry it off a little bit, hit it with some of that duck fat spray, and then the good stuff. We're gonna go with our maple pecan, 2 layers here. We're gonna layer on the flavors. Maple pecan, you got that little sweet, a little bit of nutty, a little salt, and then come over top of that with our ancho espresso, which has got that earthiness and that just that you've got the ancho chili powder, you get that deep, rich flavors. A little pop of coffee, get your caffeine at night, good stuff. Then off to the grill. All right, guys, it's been a long day. We're hungry. We're going hot and fast on this bad boy. So we've got the grill. It's about 400 degrees. We've got a couple cutting edge firewood cherry chunks in there. Burns really nice and hot. We've got the grates seasoned with a little bit of the duck fat spray. We've got our brined tenderloin that we've got seasoned with the maple pecan and the ancho espresso. And we're just gonna go right on it. I absolutely love pork tenderloin. It's a relatively inexpensive cut and you can add so much flavor to it with the different seasonings and with that brine. All right, see you in a minute. All right, while the tenderloin is grilling, we're gonna make a little basting sauce real quick. So we're gonna take some of our southbound sauce, sweet mustard sauce, little red pepper flakes, kick it up a little bit. A little bit of maple syrup. This is like the perfect fall recipe. And then a little Dijon just to give it a little bite. And then come back over top with a little more of that ancho espresso. That mixed up. We're gonna start adding this to the tenderloin now that it's about halfway through the cooking process. We're just gonna baste that on. All right, tenderloin is off the grill. So just to recap real quick, we brined it, we grilled it over high heat about halfway through. We took that southbound maple syrup and Dijon mixture, glazed it on, let it cook through till it finished. Now we've let it rest. Almost time, I can feel it. We're gonna slice it up, hit it with a little smoked salt, little last drizzle of that maple syrup. All right, here we go. Look at this. Man, that brine, it is so juicy. Also to Kylie, hey, she called this the fillet of pork. Exactly what this is. Pork tenderloin really is one of my most favorite meats to cook. All right, get this all out. Take a little of that maple syrup, finish on top, a little drizzle. That's sweet, got to finish with a little salt. Oh man, look at that. Absolutely beautiful, quick and easy. So juicy, so many layers of flavor. Your family's gonna love this one. See you soon.